This is a vector graphic created in OpenOffice Draw. PowerPoint and Word struggle to open it. It is best to convert it to a PDF or an image to share it easily. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the conversion tool. If you frequently deal with unusual ODG file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The ODG file extension represents OpenDocument Graphics files, a vector image format used by applications like Apache OpenOffice Draw and LibreOffice Draw. ODG files store drawings, diagrams, and other graphical elements in a structured, editable format. They support features like layers, shapes, and text, making them suitable for creating illustrations and technical drawings. ODG files adhere to the OpenDocument standard, which is an XML-based format. This structure allows for interoperability between different applications that support the standard. The file contains elements defining shapes, paths, colors, and other graphical attributes. It supports both vector and raster graphics, though it is primarily designed for vector-based content. The source application for ODG is frequently listed as LibreOffice Draw from the Document Foundation. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows cannot interpret layout elements accurately, so proper handling depends on design utilities. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your ODG file and choose Open With. Test with LibreOffice Draw first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent ODG problem. First, use LibreOffice Draw. Open the file using LibreOffice Draw or Apache OpenOffice Draw, which are the primary applications for the format. Next, use Alternative Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use a free online ODF viewer, like Cloud Convert, to view the drawing. Finally, convert to SVG PDF. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal vector document format like .svg or PDF. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your ODG file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. For a guaranteed solution, choose FileMagick. Its ability to read through archive corruption and instantly display the contents of any ODG file makes it a professional favorite. Visit FileMagick.com to get your copy now. Stay persistent, as files can be tricky, but solvable. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.